I'm going to teach you how to print a PDF version of Google Sheet file. So we have here a raw data. Now, if you want to print this data as a PDF file, we should do a couple of formatting. So now here is a place where you can go to the file, download, and PDF document. That will give you the overview of the file and how you want to print it. But as you see, this is okay. So if you look at this file, we have so many information, but there are no border colors. There is no, for example, headers or nothing like that. So it's very confusing. So how do we fix that? So first of all, let's take the whole this tab completely and get the borders sorted. Yeah. And secondly, let's make the first row bold. And then what we should do, which is important, is that if you want to show the first row in all pages, you need to go to the freeze and you need to click first row. Now what will happen is that the first row will be shown on every single page. Alright, so now let's go back and click download a PDF document. Now if you look at this file, it's much more convenient and it's much more better to look at. So you can see that we have on every in every Google every page we have the first row is shown, and we can also do a little bit more formatting. We can click like show grid lines, or we can do some alignment. But I think what matters is page numbers. That helps a lot, and we can also put possibly a current date. So yeah, you can see that we have a current date over here on the left below, and we have the pages on the right below. So that's how you export the PDF file from Google Sheets. And there you go, downloading a PDF file. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you want to watch more videos.